What's happening, Hardscapers? We've passed our budgeted time on the job, and this has been an extremely difficult job for me to get through, and we're going to walk through why that is. Especially in these past 2 days, it's been a really trying experience, and it starts with a trench. So let's talk about the trench. So this trench runs through here, and it goes all the way to what we're going to install a post at that loop over there, another post at that come up there. So that's going to be the transformer for the lights for the steps here, and that's also going to be an extra outlet. There's going to be an outlet for the transformer for the lights in the pond at that one, as well as an outlet for the pump. And this trench has killed me. It took 3 times as long as I thought it would, at least, because of the hard clay that we experienced with this, as well as the geo ripper. So this thing has been great up until this job, and I've had it for about a year now, and it hasn't had any troubles. Now what's happening is every time I use it, I get about 1 foot in this dense clay going 20 inches down, and these bolts seem to be loosening, but even when I tighten them, I can't. I clean them out and I try to get that all fixed, but they seem to be loosening, and you can see that this bar pushes inwards and this chain loosens and it falls off. And it's extremely difficult in this dense clay that it just happens again and again. Like I said, about every foot I'm having to either it falls off or I loosen these, pry this in, then tighten them. Again, I was having this problem with the trench for the gas line, but these screws come loose and fall off, and I think I lost 3. 2 on this trench that I just did, because they just loosen, they fall out. I got Loctite on them. I did everything I could to clean them, and still it's happening. Extremely frustrating with this thing, because that adds an extraordinary amount of time to do a trench like this, which is like 80 linear feet. Got my rock pile here, been dumping that off. Got my waterfall established, got my skimmer plate in, and basically I'm just starting to fill this up with rocks. Now I'd like bigger rocks than this, but again, no machine access, can't get huge rocks into here. It has to be one-man lift, and I'm just going at this by myself. It's almost 6 p.m, so I want to get these rocks in behind here all fit in, so I know how much more I need to get on the way to the job in the morning. So I'm going to get out of here. for tonight. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Love to get your feedback. That's where I'm gonna end this tonight. It's time to go home. That's it for whatever days this is, a couple of days here. Getting real frustrated, but finally seeing some momentum with that pond build. Hoping to finish that up tomorrow and then start kind of filling in areas that need to be completed. Little small portion of the walkway that now can get filled in, as well as the posts can be now done. Waiting on the electrical inspection to fill in that trench. Just tidy things up once that pond gets done. So really looking forward to that. Probably a couple days of cleanup. Maybe one more day on that pond, and then it's just, let's get this done already. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the pond, how that looks. First pond build, so would love your feedback on this, and thank you so much for watching.